No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. With today's date, day, everything, huh?
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
we have to only add CT or CT of noun support.
Now, dear, yesterday I had already given you the practice of writing answers. Do you remember? Answer 1 you have to write down, and you have to just write down the option. What you have to write down? Option. You do not have to copy the full sentence. Only A or B or C. Is that clear, everybody? Yes. Answer 1 and only A or B or C. Yesterday I had given you the practice of that. In the same way, today we are going to write down. Is that?
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
ma'am,
स्वाति मैम,
Yes.
मैम आपका स्क्रीन वाइट आ रहा है आयांश की साइड से. स्वाति मैम,
ma'am,
All others you cannot see the screen presentation.
we can.
स्वाति मैम आ गया. इट इज प्रेजेंटेबल.
आ गया ना? Okay.
यस
Ma'am,
Okay.
Swati ma'am,
स्वाति राइट डाउन ओनली.
Yes, Nishika, please.
yesterday you means I had connectivity issues. I could not hear
Okay,
you.
okay. But Nishi, I had already sent whatever was done in the class. Soft copies already.
And we have to
Beta.
write not of that I've written everything, but ma'am, I've written with the question because I could not hear you.
It's okay. Fine. It's okay. But now for this test, no question to be written down, no options to be written down, only A or B or C. Only that thing.
And we have to write this question one, pick the correct answer.
Salad.
Ma'am, we have to write like that. What is the dash of this bag? Ma'am, we can write like this if the answer is A. So we could write A and the spelling.
If the answer is B, you can write down only B. If the answer is C, if you can write down only C. Yesterday we had already
write the
given.
spelling too of the answer.
Sorry?
Could we write the spelling of the answer too?
No, beta. Only the option. And if you have already written, then don't cut anything. It's okay, fine.
Ma'am, can we start?
Yes, of course, I have asked you to start it immediately.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
I am comfortable with writing question. So can I write?
But then nobody should help you. And
Okay,
as it
ma'am.
is, I'm going to send the soft copy of this. So if you write the question or don't, I don't mind. Whether you are writing the question or not, it's okay with me. Both the things okay.
Megdad, no instruction. Ma'am will see when to scroll down. Swati ma'am, if possible, you can present it in the full screen also.
Ma'am, I don't know how to do that.
Okay, the upper side you can see at the right side, na? cross one is the button. Next to that, the window size, you can show them in the bigger size, in
Okay.
which we can just next to the cross button, if you click there.
See now?
No, ma'am. Where we close the window now, from where we close the window, there only next to cross button, the window
That
sign is there.
that I clicked. That I
Okay,
clicked.
okay. Okay, fine then. It's okay then.
On my screen, it has become smaller.
No, no. Again, then put because it is coming little only.
Okay.
Oh,
Ma'am, can you show the question 1?
See, for different requests again and again, up and down, I will not do. This is CET. And you know, after you finish CET, immediately click the pics and send it to me. Yeah? Immediately click your pictures and send it to me.
Ma'am, any question?
Hmm.
Ma'am, nothing.
Okay. I want you to copy the heading of question 2. Make you understand how to solve that.
Ma'am, I am on number 2.
Number 2 still? Lord.
Yes. Ma'am, what's the marks of take the correct answers?
Yes, take the correct answer.
What? No, ma'am, I'm asking what's the marks of it?
Mikdad is replying to that question 5.
Ma'am.
Yes, dear. Question 6 is
the,
not there. Only 5 questions are there.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
didn't
Jahan?
I didn't write the heading for question 1. Is it alright? I'll write it for question 2.
Right now you can add question 1. Take the correct answer.
Swati,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
I'm
Yes, I can hear you.
Man Rajoria, but in take the correct answer. I am writing I am writing one answer is weight. So we can write like this.
Okay. Okay. Now switch off your mic.
Yes, he has already switched off, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, after this, we have to send a picture to you in mail.
No. Question 2 is there. Question 2 is there. 10 marks CET. This was for 5 marks. Now one more question will be there for 5 marks, and then you are supposed to send the pics.
Okay, ma'am.
They are asking for the second question.
Yes, ma'am, but then somebody will again ask me, ma'am, question 2, ma'am, question 3. Then again I will have to scroll back.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
अभी दे रही हूँ.
Ma'am,
Yes.
please scroll up because I joined now.
Who is that? Riddhi Goyal.
Yes.
Okay, but then you leave a page and start writing with question 2, Riddhi. For you, I will show you the first question again after question 2. Oh, camera चालू है. Now listen to me carefully. Just write down question 2. I have given you some boxes and I have asked you something to write it in. But since you cannot waste your time in drawing the boxes and all, I want you to just write down the numbers. 1 answer, 2 answer, 3 answer. But for that, I need you to write down heading of question 2 properly. Is that clear? Yes, show me your thumbs up, those who could listen to me properly. Yes, Arav, good. Vihan, Nishi, okay, fine. Yes, fine, Ayansh. So now shall I start with question 2? Question 2 heading and then 1 answer, 2 answer, 3 answer. Is that clear? So here is your question 2.
Ma'am,
Write down the.
ma'am, please.
आया.
Ayansh, no talking.
I mean, second question we have to write like this. Fourth A, fourth B, like this.
Not section, only grade. In
Yes.
which standard you are.
Ma'am, means only four.
Yes, but in full sentence, I will not accept your answer in one word. You are not in grade 1 or 2. I want the answers in full sentence only. Now don't tell me I have written only one word. Rub it, cancel it, and write again. I will accept the answers only in full sentence. This is language. This is not EVS. This is language. I want your answer in full sentence.
Ma'am, we can make boxes.
Yes, Ridhan.
We can make boxes.
Ma'am, Swati ma'am, he is asking that he can make boxes also.
No, no, no need. It will take time. It will take time and it will waste your page.
Ma'am, we have to write
And Ridhan, you are
Ma'am.
not that fast. Yes,
Ma'am,
Rudra.
we have to write 4 in number or in spelling.
In which way I have given you in question? The same way you have to copy. The way in which it is given in the question, the same way you have to copy.
Ma'am, you can show question 4 and 5 in question 2.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
But wait for others, Vihan.
Yes,
ma'am,
Yes.
I don't understand what is our garden.
Okay, okay. I will read the question for you. Just wait. I will read the question for you.
Swati ma'am,
Yes, Man.
I have made boxes
It's okay.
and we can write in Roman numerals in your grade in second.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Ekansh. All right. See, our first question is name of your art teacher. So you remember your art classes are also going on and you very well know the name of the art teacher. So recall it and write it down. Then your grade is your standard in which grade you are learning right now. That grade you have to write down, but in full sentence. I will not tell you which sentence, how to form the sentence because marks are not for you are writing number 4. I cannot give you marks for just writing 4. You are in grade 4. So I cannot give you that mark. I want full sentence.
Ma'am,
And write down very clearly after number 2.
class.
In the same way, name of your best friend you have to write down. Name of your best friend you have to write down. But form a full sentence and write down. Vihan, am I clear?
Excuse me,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes?
And in your best friend, I have written 3 best friends. Is it okay?
Jahan, now don't reveal the answers. Whatever you have written, my expectation is to write down full sentence. That's all. So now don't reveal the answer.
Ma'am, are there anything else after 3?
Of course, yes. 4 and 5.
Okay.
Here you are. I'm giving you 3 minutes for that. And no cheating at all. Especially for the address of the school. Try to recall and write down. Whatever you remember, you write down.
Man Rajodia, please switch off your mic, bacha.
You must know, Lamma, it is given in our this almanac also. On every certificate we have, everywhere we use this. I forgot to then try recalling it. Just try that area, road, but no helping. Lamha no taking help from anybody. Everybody be honest.
Then we can write short about of school.
Okay. No, not the school. School only TVIS. I will not give you mark for TVIS. I want full spelling of our school. If you have written TVIS, just cancel it and write again. I don't mind. Cancel it and write again. I don't want. Lakshay, do you think yourself very smart? in this, your motory senses are working very nicely, isn't it? When it comes to writing, that time you are paralyzed.
And if we write
Yes.
this only, then the then also it will be a long sentence. So do we have to write the sentence related question also?
No, 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 Ayush. No.
Just school name and that, na?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done till question 5, so I can send you the picture.
Yes, yes, of course. Those who have done the completed the paper, please immediately, and please do not ask me, ma'am, I have sent. Have you got my? I have sent. Have you got? Please don't ask me. If you are sending,
Ma'am,
but of course I'm going to get it. Do not ask me that.
ma'am,
Come on, say yes, Man.
I have written in fourth box, Tapti Valley International School, Dandi Road, Surat, top 6 school.
I have completed the CET and I am sending the
Ma'am, I have written top 6 school.
only two.
I'm giving you 4 more minutes. I'm giving you 4 more minutes. Do it faster. मला हँड्स फ्री दे हा नंतर. Yes, Paranika.
Ma'am, can we write dance in a subject favorite?
It depends upon you. You can, because dance is taught in our school, so it is a subject. I agree. पांढरी दिसत आहे.
Ma'am, there is only 5. Ma'am, it is only 5.
Ma'am, I want question 3. I have done
Bharti
question
ma'am, I
3.
got the answer.
Okay, so start clicking the pictures and sending it to me. Now only one more last minute, and I'm going to stop the presentation.
Ma'am, you can set the marks.
Anyhow, before 12 o'clock, I should get your pictures. Huh? Before 12 o'clock. If it is not possible right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Vihan, switch off your mic. Vihan, switch off your mic.
Half a minute, I'm going to stop the presentation. Huh?
Ma'am, I am once and I have
Are you using your ears today, beta? I have already told you not to tell me or not to inform me that I have sent, I have sent, I have sent. I will get it. Okay, Trisha, it's fine. I don't mind if you are not sending right now. You can send it after 12. I mean before 12, not after 12, before 12.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, as discussed before, can you have your grammar textbook with you? That is everyday grammar.
Ma'am, 10 minutes, I am coming.
Okay, Ayansh, but only one single minute, Lakshay. Yes, everyday English grammar, correct. Yes, correct. Farzan, perfect. As we had discussed before, if you remember, you had told me that before the month of May, that is in the April, you had already solved 2 chapters of this everyday grammar. So now Saturday, Sunday, I am giving you Saturday and Sunday. 3 days. Today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Dhyan Shelia. Are you listening, Dhyan Shelia? So,
Yes, ma'am.
I am giving you Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You will be giving me the answers of, sending me the pictures of chapter 1 and chapter 2 of you have done the correction. Khush Ahuja, you are constantly busy talking with your parents, which I won't accept, beta.
Ma'am, of grammar textbook.
Grammar textbook, yes. You will be sending me the pics of grammar textbook, but that is on Monday. I will not accept your grammar textbook pictures on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I want you to send it on Monday only. Is that clear? So on Monday, you will send me the pictures of grammar lesson 1 and lesson 2 if it is done. And who needs the answer of this grammar textbook? Is there anybody then on the mail or in chat you can? Yes, in Gmail also. No problem.
Ma'am,
You can send me in anyway.
Ma'am, we can take. Ma'am, we can take
Ma'am,
the
when you will send the marks?
Of what?
CET.
No, I'm not sending it to anybody. I'm keeping my record with me.
ma'am, can I say something according to this? Can I ask a question? We have done this whole book in the notebook, so I can click the picture of the notebook.
Write down the answer in the textbook then. Write down the answer in the textbook then. For this work, I'm giving you Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So by Monday, I want you to finish your grammar chapter 1 and chapter 2. Ayansh, it is clear? Is it clear? Ayansh Jain, is it clear? Okay. Devyasha?
By Monday,
Monday. Devyasha?
completing chapter 1 and chapter 2.
Yes. Perfect. In the textbook, Devyasha, are your chapters are completed, Devyasha? Yes, Anya.
chapter number 2 is left. I will send you on Monday. Ma'am, I have done both chapters.
Lama, again are you asking, you want me to open the mail right now to see this, whether I have got it or not? How can you ask me such senseless questions and it is told to you 100 times That do not ask me, you have got it, you have got it. So now, am I clear about the grammar lesson 1 and lesson 2? Am I clear about it? Still, if you need the help, you can mail me. You can mail me that I want the answers. I shall send it to you again. Okay. So now, we will revise our dictation words because on Tuesday there will be dictation. So here we are revising our dictation words. Do you have in hard copy the dictation words with you?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
स्वाति आयांश को डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स नहीं आए, आपने भी सेंड नहीं किए ना मैम? स्वाति मैम,
हाँ हाँ, मैंने तो इमीडिएट लास्ट ट्यूसडे ही सेंड किए थे.
but I did not got ma'am. You send again ma'am please.
Okay, sure.
हाँ, thank you ma'am.
How? So here we are. I'm once again showing you dictation words. Dear friends, there is a problem of electricity. So my light is not working. So I may be in the dark, but I hope that you can see the presentation.
Yes, ma'am, we can see the presentation.
Because there is a problem of electricity.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Then we can see.
So revise the meaning, revise the words. राहू दे, बंद कर दे, उडेल. पंखा राहू दे थोडा. Brilliant, inquiry, question, tradition, generally, tuition, science, account, shortcut, switch, superb, fourth, audible, music, start, special, temperature, bottle, definitely, chalk. L is silent, it is chalk.
Ma'am, scroll down your screen till 19, it is visible.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is visible till 20. I can also see. Till 20.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible. Yes. Riddhi is asking you have they have to write it.
Mama, I am on first.
Swati ma'am, I think time is up. Yes. Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am, can you hear us?
Ma'am, can we will leave?
Swati ma'am.
Yes, Kanak ma'am.
Ma'am, time is up. Yes, just to inform you that it is 9:40 now. Yes,
Everybody to
Time.
leave the class. Start leaving the class.
9:42 now. Yes, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Disha. Start leaving. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, reading students have to stay or no?
I have sent the names on the chat. I have sent the names on the chat. Please see.
Swati ma'am, I am leaving. Okay.
Yes, Kanak ma'am, I'm not getting you.